Mazda's latest Skyactiv-G 2.0 petrol engine used in the Mazda CX-30 develops 122 PS at 6,000 RPM and maximum torque of 213 Nm at 4,000 RPM. It combines an average fuel consumption of 7.3 to 6.2 liters to 100 kilometers. It features optimized intake port and piston shapes, split fuel injection, a coolant control valve and cylinder deactivation, to deliver higher levels of dynamic performance, fuel economy and environmental friendliness. The Skyactiv-G 2.0 liter also adopts the company's intelligent Mazda M Hybrid system to support greater gains in fuel economy and more driving pleasure. The cylinder deactivation system shuts down two of the engine's 4 cylinders in light load situations, such as when cruising at a constant speed. Shutting down the 2 outer cylinders increases the load on the remaining 2, causing them to operate in a range of greater efficiency. Airflow intake volume, fuel injection rates and ignition timing are precisely controlled to allow the engine to switch smoothly between 2-cylinder and 4-cylinder operation and reduce fuel consumption when cruising at constant speeds. Thanks to newly developed control system and new technologies to reduce friction, Mazda's Skyactiv-AWD 4-wheel drive system delivers a refined and stable ride in any driving situation while also achieving real-world fuel economy almost on a par with a front-wheel drive vehicle. Fitted to front-wheel drive versions of the Mazda CX-30, GVC Plus introduces technology that further enhances handling stability by using the brakes to add direct yaw moment control to the conventional engine control of GVC. As the driver steers out of a corner by returning the steering wheel to the center position, GVC Plus applies a light braking force to the outer wheels, providing a stabilizing moment that helps restore the vehicle to straight line running. The system realizes consistently smooth transitions between yaw, roll and pitch even under high cornering forces, improving the vehicle's ability to accurately track sudden steering inputs and exit corners crisply. The Mazda CX-30 suspension system uses McPherson struts at the front and a torsion beam set up in the rear. Input energy from the ground is communicated to the body via the suspension. Traditionally, vehicle architecture has been designed to reduce the magnitude of forces conveyed to the sprung mass. With Skyactiv vehicle architecture, however, Mazda has added a new concept smoothing out the forces conveyed to the unsprung mass over the time axis and, based on this, has completely redesigned the allocation of functions among the various components. The Mazda CX-30 combines easy access with a spacious, versatile cabin and large luggage compartment. A generous coupled distance of 740 mm between the front seats is 50 mm greater than in the Mazda CX-3, and on par with that of the Mazda CX-5. The wide spacing of the front seats allows for a wide floor console with a refined layout and a large center armrest. Equally spacious rear seat separation facilitates wide rear center armrest and door armrests, allowing rear seat occupants to enjoy a comfortable, relaxed seating posture. The generous distance between front and rear seat hip points and a low rear seat hip point height create ample knee and headroom, enabling taller passengers to occupy the rear seats in comfort. In addition to the generous distance between the front and rear seats and the low rear floor height, the shapes of seat cushions and B-pillars have been optimized to accommodate the movement of passengers during entry and exit. These measures enable even heavily built rear passengers to get in and out in a smooth fashion. Moreover, side seals have been added to the bottom of the rear doors, preventing occupants from dirtying their clothing when exiting a muddy vehicle. Luggage capacity is a generous 430 liters, VDA, enough to simultaneously accommodate a large, global standard baby buggy and a carry-on bag. Lift gate opening width is 1030 mm, while the height of the loading lip is just 731 mm, for easy loading and unloading of heavy or bulky cargo. In the area of active safety, the Mazda CX-30's iActiveSense features include a driver monitoring system that observes the driver's condition. In addition, advances in automatic braking technologies help to enhance the omnidirectional sensing capability Mazda pursues. Passive safety development focused on studies of human characteristics and details of actual accidents, contributing to greatly enhanced collision safety and pedestrian protection performance.